So hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to a Richer Craft Professional. After a long time, we came back with the previous subject, which called like butterfly layers. My clients was repeatedly demanding with a butterfly layers haircut with every times, and they're getting collections and they're watching the previous videos. Through that, the people are coming for a get the haircuts. So we are insisting with a new customers with existing videos. I'm really happy to see you back with a new fresh haircut video. I hope you all are good and previous videos also understand. If you have any doubts, comments and questions, please drop the comments below. Will definitely will be answer your questions or any comments if requires. So today we're going to be discuss about the butterfly layer haircut, and we done all the sections and section by section and explained, and finally we started with one length haircut from the before go to the layering. So basically the foundation is required for the bottom portions, which can be comes like one length top of that bottom layer haircut. Then after that we just create the foundation of the elevations, then can be create something a strong foundation the top to bottom, and it will be insist with something is good layers with top of the bottom layers that can be carry forward really good and is never ever going to be reduce your length at all. So before going to be start, we just finishing to the bottom layers, and after that we cross checking and just taking the small ponytail of the guideline and the rest of the hair just plating, and we're going to start with the next sections. We release the sections and taking a center profile and picking a previous guideline I'm showing you. Just we're going to be connecting towards 130 to 140 degree elevations. So that is complete of simple ethics which we are going to be carrying forward. But one thing I must suggest to you all, if you how much you want to save the length, that much you can just lift to the hair with a 150 to 180 almost is fair enough to create more elevation of the layers. After that I'm just cross checking one side is finished and just coming to the another side with the same step-by-step guideline, just following vertical sections and the way which I explained with the previous videos. If you have any questions or comments, please do let me know in the comments below. Every time I'm bringing for you the fresh and newest video for every session after the different tutorial kind of haircuts. So after the haircut finish, you just cross checking with that sections too, and finally we come to the side section. Before go to the layering, we're just connecting with the bottom portions in one length. After that, take it to the section and pick from the previous guideline from the back side, and rest of the hair going to be following the guideline, just connecting towards the layers. So there is my guideline, and rest of the hair going to be merging to the following the previous guideline, and step by step following the side bases also with vertical sections. So this is simple ethics we're going to be follow, and after that cross checking is very much important with each and every haircut. So then we can just easily identify the unevenness as well. So another side same way, just going to be give one length basic haircut before start to the layers. After that creating to the layers, picking from the previous guideline from the back side, and rest of the hair going to be merging in the layers, the step by step a thin section. After that cross checking, and finally we come to the crown portions, which is majorly impacting with the complete up to the haircut and carrying forward really good and most most important sections which we used to give a haircut with, that's called with the crown sections, that after previous guideline we picked, and rest of the hair going to be emerging in the layers. And another side, one more section. Another section, and last section at this side, and used to come with another side. After that, I'm cross checking to both the sides, and finally we come to the cotton bands fringe section, and just picking thin sections and giving with the finer cotton bangs, blending on the top layers as well. And finally, we are going to be show the before start the blow dry, messy blow dry. I'm just going to showing her, and that can something is really looks with already it's 50%. This look like a ready hair to go. So I'm showing you the messy presentations before the styling the hair, because every customers will ask is after the haircut how it look like with or without the blow dry, and this is the best way we can show them to the blow dry finishing and all. And after that, we're just going to be start with the spiral blow dry section by sections. This is we used to carry forward with each and every sections by haircut afterwards. And the forward layer is it will be blow dry styling will be changes, and of course it will be layer basis also will be changed. So like that we keep on changing the techniques, and after that I'm just kept holding for sometimes with using with another roller, because the styling long lasting purpose we kept hold for inside. And we'll start with another side. The same we have the blow dry techniques, spiral one, and that side also just be fixing with the small rollers to staying hold a long time. And finally we come to the side sections. So these are very significant things we have to follow up to the techniques up to the haircuts, whether it will be straight hair or something fine hair. Few customers used to ask my styling was not staying for a long time, so then you can just use the existing rollers for a long lasting purpose. For something it will be holding styles that can be stay long lasting and looks really bounce and volume at the hair. With complete haircut looks making changes, it's makeover look kind of things. This is the simple techniques we used to follow with and implementing with the every stylings with the step by step with different way, and we seen the results is really awesome on previous as well. And finally we'll come to the crown portions, and that can be making with the obviously toward volume at blow dry towards to the forward, and that it makes completely significant carry forward to the cut and look, so that will be pretty good and fair enough to the look forward. Something is volume and bouncy look in haircut overall. So finally we haircut will blow dry will finished it, and after that we just showing with the finishing up to the haircut, that you can just see the flawless up to the layers completely looking shinier and glad finishing overall. See from the front side also it looks really good onto that bouncy look, and finishing was really good. I hope you all are understand the small techniques used to how to get it done with the haircut plus with volume at blow dry. And after that I'm just presenting to my client with how it does the haircut and styling along with it, and she is really happy. And after that we're just going to start with the texture finishing after the haircut. This is very much mandatory each and every haircut, because we have to cross check too, and long lasting purpose we have to give a texture that can be carry forward really well good, and is keep long lasting to the layers. It looks like finishing will be really amazing even if they don't do the styling as well. So the messy hairstyles is nowadays it looks like trendy. Few of my customers used to ask without blow dry how it will be a look. Then I used to with a messy blow, and I'll show them this was a look which is comes on to out of the figuring it after the layers. They're really wondering to that techniques of the haircuts and stylings as well. I hope you all are suggest to with the use with a messy blow dry. It will really good and shorten your time if customers also don't have a times and you want to figure it out with very faster. Please finish it out with a messy blow dry, with something is a blower from the root to outside that can be make something layer out and good finishing, and finally can just clear it out to the haircuts. So finally all the sides is got finished, and this is my after texture is final finishing. Hope you all are understand and enjoyed the video. Please, if you are really new to my channel, please do subscribe and like it, and do share with your friends. We'll meet up to the next tutorial video. Until, take care and be safe.